Welcome to my next review video. Today we're taking a look at Tamiya's 1/48 scale F-16CJ Fighting Falcon, a kit I recently built. The box art is very nicely designed and shows one of the 3 included decal options. The other 2 can be found on the side of the box. The box itself is quite small and filled to the brim with plastic. The Eduard masking set shown here is not included, but is highly recommended. The individual sprues are packaged separately in plastic bags, as are the clear parts. The instructions, safety information, and the separately packaged decals are also included. This model kit dates back to 2007 and has since been released in 5 different versions. Market availability is still good. Let's move on to the instructions. Everything is printed in black and white. You receive a large, separate sheet showing all 3 color schemes and the placement of the decals. Furthermore, the armament options are shown in detail. The instructions themselves are well structured, and you are guided step by step through the building process. Overall, no questions remain unanswered. However, you occasionally have to consider whether you are strictly adhering to the given order. The differences between the buildable aircraft versions are well explained. You get 2 small decal sheets, which are very comprehensive and detailed. The quality is good, however, and typical for Tamiya, the decals are always a bit too thick. Decal softener is recommended. The clear parts are also of good quality. The canopy comes in 2 versions, a tinted and a clear one. Unfortunately, there's a seam line running down the middle of the canopy that's difficult to remove. Tamiya uses metal pins and polycaps for movable and removable parts, as well as a few screws to stabilize the tail assembly. The light gray, rather soft plastic is easy to work with, and the quality is impressive. The surfaces are nicely detailed, and the fit is as expected from Tamiya. Compared to current kits, the details are slightly less sharp, but still very good. A pilot figure with different helmet options is included, and it fits perfectly in the cockpit without any tedious adjustments. The complex shapes of the F-16 are well represented, but I'm sure Tamiya would design the kit somewhat differently nowadays. Minor fit issues can occur on the underside, so work carefully there. The included weapons, drop tanks, and electronic equipment are very comprehensive, allowing an impressive loadout for the model. The kit offers excellent value for money and can be built very well straight out of the box, even without any extras. The quality remains impressive, and the fit is very good considering the compact and complex shape of the original aircraft. My only criticisms are the thick decals and the seam line on the cockpit canopy. Nevertheless, I recommend this kit for both beginners and experienced modelers. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more, you can find the full build video on my channel. Until next time, goodbye.